Indonesia strongly condemns Israeli attacks in southern Lebanon, which constitute a serious violation.
Wakil Tetap RI untuk PBB Duta Besar Umar Hadi mengecam keras serangan Israel di Lebanon. Umar menyebut peristiwa penyerangan yang terjadi terhadap pasukan perdamaian tak lahir dari ruang hampa. Peringatan itu disampaikan Umar dalam sidang di markas DKPBB di New York, Amerika Serikat pada Selasa 31 Maret. Terkait kecaman tersebut, ekspresi Dubes Israel untuk PBB Denny Danan yang turut hadir dalam sidang itu tersorot kamera. Terlihat dalam tayangan YouTube United Nations, Denny justru asyik mengetik ponselnya.
Active war. But this framing overlooks a fundamental question. Who is responsible for creating and sustaining that zone of active hostilities? The current escalation did not arise in vacuum. It stems from repeated incursions by the Israeli military into the territory of Lebanon. Indonesia strongly condemns Israeli attacks in southern Lebanon, which constitute a serious violation against the sovereignty and territorial integrity of Lebanon. Indonesia continues to stand in solidarity with the government and the people of Lebanon. As hostilities in southern Lebanon escalates, attacks against UNIFIL peacekeepers have also increased in recent weeks. These repeated attacks are not mere incidents, but deliberate assaults aimed at undermining the UNIFIL and deterring its ability to fulfill the mandate of Resolution 1701. These attacks also represent a direct threat to international peace and security and may constitute war crimes under international law. We therefore demand an immediate, thorough, and transparent investigation. Let me be clear. We demand investigation by the United Nations, not excuses from Israel. We demand the Security Council to keep abreast of the investigation and to immediately follow up the results. We demand that the perpetrators must be held legally accountable. Immunity must not become the standard, and attacks against peacekeepers must not be repeated nor tolerated. We also demand a firm guarantee from all parties involved, including Israel, to uphold their obligations under international law, to immediately cease attacks and aggressive behavior that endanger UN